Today we are going to make Alfredo sauce. Everybody makes Alfredo sauce differently. There's never, I don't think there's ever a time where I've actually tried it and it actually tasted the same. Alfredo sauce is fairly simple to make. A lot of people try not to make it, or they think that they can't make it, but it's actually probably the easiest of all sauces to make, even more so than red sauce, marinara sauce. And depending on what part of Italy you're from, every Alfredo sauce tastes differently. My family is from Napoli, and I truly believe, not that it's wrong, not that it's right, but our Alfredo sauce is probably the best, and you will actually see once you try it yourself that it probably is the best. Don't tell anyone I told you that. But we will basically go over what you'll need to make the Alfredo sauce and how simple it is, and we're going to feed a family of 4. So of course, if you're going to feed 2, then you would just cut my recipes in half. But if you're hungry like I am, I could probably eat all 4 of the recipes. So stay tuned to the next segment, and we will go over what equipment and utensils and ingredients that you need to make the perfect Alfredo sauce.